Are you facing the DirectX 12 not supported error while trying to play Marvel Rivals? Stay tuned. In this video, I will show you the exact steps to fix it. First, we need to ensure your GPU supports DirectX 12. Follow these steps. Press the Windows key and the R key together. Type DXD1AG and press Enter. In the DirectX Diagnostic tool, go to the Display tab. Look for Feature Levels and check if DirectX 12 is listed. If it is not listed, your GPU does not support DirectX 12. Unfortunately, you'll need to upgrade your hardware. If it does support DirectX 12, let's move to the next step. If the above steps don't work, you can force Marvel Rivals to run on DirectX 11. Here's how. Right-click on the game in your launcher. Select Properties or Game Settings. Look for the Launch Options or Advanced Settings field. Type -DX11 and save the changes. Launch the game and see if the error is resolved. And that's it. These steps should resolve the DirectX 12 not supported error for Marvel Rivals. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick fixes.